Hey, it's April with The Possible Diet, and today I'm going to teach you how to make my super easy summer sauce. This summer sauce is kind of like chimichurri. Chimichurri is a sauce that you find in Argentina, Uruguay, and it's made with parsley and sometimes oregano, typically oregano, and chilies, red wine vinegar, and olive oil. And this sauce is similar, but I add basil. A lot of basil because I like to have this handy for making like a quick caprese salad that's like just dresses up the tomatoes a little bit more than plain old balsamic vinegar. You can use this on sandwiches, you can use it on meats when you're grilling, not necessarily as a marinade but as like a basting sauce, and it's just really handy and really versatile. Sometimes I just toss it with like spaghetti squash. So you're going to start with a cup of fresh parsley and then add a cup of chopped fresh basil. I wouldn't make this in a blender because it's best when it's kind of chunky. And then 6 cloves of garlic, roughly chopped. And then this is 1 serrano pepper chopped up with enough mild banana pepper, pickled banana peppers to get to a 1/4 cup. So, you know, you can use a 1/4 cup of banana peppers. I just usually pack it in there. Dump that in. And then red wine vinegar. You're gonna start with a 1/4 cup of red wine vinegar. And you can add more to taste later. And then a few grinds of salt, maybe like a 1/4 teaspoon. You can taste it halfway through. And this is the trick. I chop this up in 2 pulses. The first pulse I don't have any olive oil, and then the second pulse I add the olive oil, so it emulsifies just a little bit. That smells amazing. So once it gets kind of like that, you want chunks of garlic in there. You don't want the garlic to be like pureed. Then we're gonna add a 1/4 cup of olive oil. And literally just like 1 or 2 pulses. You don't want it to be mayonnaise or like aioli. You can keep blending it if you want it to be mayonnaise or aioli, but I don't. Done. See? And it's just sort of like barely goopy. And that's all there is to it. It's super, super easy. It feels like a cheat, but I love this, and that's probably my favorite sauce this summer. Enjoy.